Hello developers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a browser with MIT App Inventor 2. So let's start. First, we need a web view to see web pages. Some web pages may need your location. So I will check this. We must have a home URL. Example, google.com. This text box will be the address bar. This button will send me to the URL. I'm making the text box's text to home URL. I'm adding other control buttons. Layout is okay. So switch the blocks and follow me. We will need a timer to page title, because buttons are weak for this action. Looks like it's done. Let's try it. Here is our location. Did you remember? Let's surf on the net. You must add http:// to your URL. If you don't, you can't see the pages. It still needs a few replacements. And we are finally finished our work. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Please read the description and subscribe. Take care, developers.